Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a friendly pheasant named Percy. Percy was not like the other pheasants. He had a warm heart and a kind spirit. One sunny morning, Percy decided to embark on an adventure. He hopped off his nest and began to explore. He saw squirrels chattering, birds singing, and deer grazing. But Percy longed for a friend who could truly understand him. As he wandered deeper into the forest, he came across a small, lost rabbit. The rabbit was trembling with fear. Percy, seeing the rabbit's sad face, approached him gently. "Hello, little friend," said Percy. "What's wrong?" The rabbit looked up, startled. "I've lost my way home," he whispered. Percy's heart filled with warmth. "Don't worry, I'll help you find your way back," he promised. And so, the unlikely duo set off, Percy leading the way with his sharp eyes, and the rabbit following closely behind. They encountered many challenges, but Percy's kindness and bravery guided them through. Finally, they arrived at a large, cozy burrow. "This is your home," Percy said, pointing at the burrow. The rabbit's eyes filled with tears as he hugged Percy tightly. "Thank you, Percy. You're the truest friend I've ever had," the rabbit said gratefully. Percy waved goodbye and watched as the rabbit hopped back into his home. He felt a sense of satisfaction and happiness. He had made a difference in another creature's life. From that day on, Percy continued his adventures in the forest, always ready to help those in need. He may have been a pheasant, but he had a heart as big as any animal in the forest. And whenever he saw a lost or lonely creature, he would remember the rabbit and the friendship they shared. For Percy knew that being kind and friendly could bring joy to others, and that was the greatest adventure of all. The end.